ACHR stock analysis and price predictions for Monday. This is 11th of August, pre-market. Is it a buy or not? Which is very brief and short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Now, as the only person in this page with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and having spent tens of thousands of dollars on courses and mentors over the last 5 years, I've figured it out. I mean, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, and I documented it all. It's all on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. Like with this in particular, currently for me, I mean, you can see all these links are just some previous proof of me buying and being correct. It's not just wins, you know, I had like a recent break even with this, so break evens are part of the game. And this is when it was like sitting at $8, then it freaking went to freaking 13, came down $9 at the moment. The one thing that I'll care about is if the price corrects down, grabs the liquidity, and gives me the confirmation. If it just starts picking up from here, well, I'll follow ranges, but that's exactly how I'm looking at it right now. And if this red part doesn't happen, or a little bit above, if it manages to start pumping from there, then I'm not gonna buy, right? Just blindly following Monday and buying just on random, it's not gonna happen. It's just that one last step of confirmation that must occur. Obviously not financial advice, and if you want to stay tuned and get free sauce, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.